Hi guys, this is Premster14 and welcome back to another special vlog because I have finally bought my first car in Dubai and we have it right here. Welcome the 2020 Toyota GT86. So guys, here it is. This is my new car, the 2020 Toyota GT86 in a shade called Ice Silver. Check this out guys, my first ever sports car. This is unreal guys. I mean, this feels unreal. I am in Dubai and I have my car, my own car in front of me. It's insane. It's such a proud feeling. I mean, I have no words to express how I'm feeling. But yeah, this is the beauty right here. I'm super duper excited with the journey I'm going to embark with this beast. Check this out guys. This is a proper sports car. So talking about the engine specification, this is a 2-liter naturally aspirated flat 4 engine, a boxer engine that produces about 205 horsepower. That's crazy. I mean, I was driving a stage 2 Polo GT TSI in India and that was 140 bhp. And now this is like a crazy upgrade and this is a rear wheel drive only car guys. So I'm going to have a lot of fun drifting around. So guys, here's the car. I'll give you a small walk around. So guys, this is the front. As you can see, it has the facelifted bumpers. When you come towards the side, it has the 18-inch aftermarket alloys. I've put the Verito alloys. So in the front I have 225 section rubber and in the rear I've put 245 section. So as you can see, the rear tires are actually wider than the front. Coming over here, I have put the spoiler over here and I've actually done a peelable black paint on the spoiler and also on the roof. And I've also smoked the tail lights a little bit. And as you can see, I have painted the calipers blue to match the seat belts of the car as well, because the seat belts in this is blue. Now without further ado, I'll take you inside the car. Let's unlock it. Of course, I've tinted the glasses as well and the tint also looks so good. And you're welcomed over here. You can see it has proper bucket seats and they're actually very comfortable, I must say. And see how low I'm sitting to the ground. It gives you the perfect sports car feeling because, well, this is a sports car. And check this out. We have the steering wheel with the paddle shifters over here as well. Talking about the paddle shifters, this comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And another cool thing is that if I put it to manual and I rev, it won't change until I change it manually with the paddle shifters or the gear lever. That is cool. So guys, over here we have 2 driving modes. One is the sport mode, which holds the gears a bit longer, and we also have a snow mode. Next to it we have track mode. Guys, when a car has track mode, you know this thing is serious and I really want to take this thing on the track and go sideways. I'm really excited for that. That's soon coming up on my channel. And we also have this button. When I press it, the traction control gets off completely. And this means I can do some stupid things like doing donuts and burnouts and drifting. I definitely want to do that once with this car. And I also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is a must in Dubai. And yeah, a very simplistic interior, which I like. Compared to the latest cars, everything's going inside the multimedia. Even the AC controls are going inside the screen and that is crazy. This is completely analog. It also has cruise control, by the way, which is also very important in Dubai. So guys, this is it for today. This was a small walk around of my new car. And there are loads of adventures and drives coming up, so make sure to hit the subscribe button for more vlogs coming soon, and also make sure to follow my new Instagram page where I just upload things related to my car, and also follow my main Instagram account @Premster14. So this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys soon in my next vlog. Goodbye.